started close. I don't think it's tough. He'll get on.
Hold it.
Hey, you really coach tonight?
There it is. Victory!
Hey, Christy. Go, run out, run. Run. Hold it. Two. Judy.
There it goes.
Go.
They're playing kickball.
Take three, go. Hold it.
Where in the world's the ball at?
Only one. Christy, how was your way?
Can we interview this little man right here? What do you think about the game there, fella? Oh. So what do you think there, fella? You think the game's going pretty good? Okay. There's the lady. Boop. The coach of the year, Dennis Calhoun. What? Isn't it cool for? Hey, Brenda. Good hit.
Hey, pick your nose. Brenda, pick your nose. Base runners, pick your nose. Follow through, Shannon.
That's
always. I know, look at that hole back
And it's a pop fly ball.
there.
Base hit. And play it third. Okay.
Hold it.
Oh, good try.
Easy out. Here we go. Call it.
Oh, and it's a deep fly ball. Two short stops. Okay, here we go, yeah.
Thank you very much, dude. Hey. Oh.
Good play, y'all. Good play. Can we have a comment? Hey, what do you think about it? Good play. Oh my gosh, he's a problem right here.
Okay.
He's like barking something.
Shannon, hand me that ball.
Excuse me? What do you need? Doing there?
Yeah, that's how to lose the ball in life.
No, I already knew how to do that.
How many did they get?
I don't know.
Kayla.
And I got
Susie.
Oh!
Yes, we will win $5,000 from that blooper. Right there.
Susie.
Way to go, Susie! Susie! Tomahawk shot. And she makes the double play. Good call. Oh, that's with my mom and dad. Oh, I got that one on tape too.
Come on, Shannon, wait on it now.
Oh my goodness. I think he can do it.
Okay. Ooh, there it is.
Come on, not the short one. Every time.
Okay.
Yes. Hey, talk to me, boy. You gonna look at me? Hey. Good play, Wayne.
You go, kid.
Hey. Yes, we got some good fans here. Hey, how you doing? Hey.
Wait, now you.
Hey.
In the hole.
Oh,
good try.
Good try, Judy.
Judy, I feel a kindred spirit in that hit you just made. Hustle! Go. Come on, get there. What a career tonight, Susie. Come
The
on,
Hoover
Angela,
vacuum
start us off,
cleaner.
babe.
What are you thinking about?
Top of the line.
Way to smoke it, Angela.
Come on, Angela. Come on, Angela. Go, go, go. Come on, Angela. Hustle, Angela. Get in, Angela.
Woo! Way to go! Way to shoot! Way to go, Jen! Way to go, Angela! All right, Miss Brenda, wait on yours.
What is it?
That's three.
Victories, wait on it,
Oh, man.
Go, Victories, go. Easy out.
Christy on deck.
Run it out. Let's play, Judy.
Good play, Judy.
Go, Chrissy, you got it. Go get the ball. Way to watch.
And that kid's back and they turns around and does it. They look over and go, no flash photography during the game. You still 2-0?
Yeah.
It's not think about it. Every time she did it, we said something to her and they come up.
Oh my God.
Trace, you better have that.
Darn good try. Oh, good catch. Put up second one. Hey, boy. Hey. Hey.
Two! Out. Bound two way. One to go. Come on, Shannon. Run up. Run. Got it! Hey!
Good play. Good play, yeah. Good play.
April's up. April's up. Chris is on that.
Good play, y'all.
Hey, Raleigh,
Good play. Hey, how about a smile?
Oh, wait, no, don't smile.
There's a smile.
Crystal Lee, Susie.
That's what I thought.
Come on, Crystal, get it.
Go.
Good try, good try.
Shannon.
Good try, good hit.
Good hustle. Right on it. Brenda, quit flirting. Run out.
Oh, they're too deep.
Run. Hold.
It's now 5-4.
Susie. Right there, folks. Susie, yo, over here, Susie. Nothing against you. Come your way. Go, Gayla. Run it out, run it. You're on. Make your turn. Hold up. Go. I got it right there, hold on.
Here she goes.
See, better do this by custom. Run it out, run it. Check your day.
Good catch. Christy.
The water, okay?
Okay, like, what's that? You can have it.
Go, hey,
Hey, Brad, they scored when you got out there. You get out there. No. Hey, 3-0. Hey, we got one out, Christy.
Come on, Kevin, let's go. Run, run, run. Run, baby, run. Now you ready, April? Hustle. I know, at least I didn't have it. You didn't get my good play.
last game and y'all gotta hold them.
The front runners, they only stay where whoever's ahead, they sit on their side.
Go, Terry.
See what happens. The big 0-0.
I think the team that's batting right now is doing. Oh, go, Terry.
Hey, Dennis. Dennis.
Go, Terry.
Look at me, now I got it.
That was horrible.
Hey, what is that? Angie, what are you talking about? What? Oh, okay. My bad.
Well, come think of it, I noticed that Susie's team started going, making some runs when Brad took over at first. Go.
You get her two,
Hey, hope! Hope! She's like, no, I don't think so. Hey, get to Chris, take a cut. Good relay! Better enough? Base hit, Jan, base hit.
Come on, Shannon.
All right, Jan.
Oh.
Gotta run in. Get hit, Jan. Don't let him
Two out.
go, Judy.
Score is now 7-4. Terry Eddington team is ahead.
Hey, Judy, don't help him out now. No time, no time. Brett, you need it.
I love it.
Good trade. Go.
I was sitting down on that thing.
Oh, we go back that way. Come on, Crystal.
Good hustle, Christine.
Molly, wait on it now, wait on it.
Hold on.
We didn't put her in.
Base hit.
Yeah!
Anytime 20 till 9.
Yeah. I don't know. Why don't you go check, Sean?
How many seconds? She wants to walk us all in. Hurry, hurry!
7 to 4. 2 outs.
You ready now, Kim?
Runner at first base. Last inning.
Come on,
Seems to do
Kim.
it.
Go, Kim! You know what? I think when it's something like this in life, it's hard to judge. It's in the outfield. How far is it? That's right.
Anything close, Kim?
Come on, Kim. Make it be there now.
Trouble.
Ball game.
Good game, y'all.
Back the camera.
Wait.
I was pulling for y'all all along.
Yeah, I could tell. That's why I was over 3.
Hey, good game, y'all.
Okay, ladies. Y'all were merciful.
Way to go.
Family.
Y'all were merciful.
We're number 1. Play for Assembly, still number 1.
Hey, Terry, I was pulling for y'all all along.
Yeah, right.
Good game, y'all. Good game.
Thank you for being merciful.
Good game, Allison.
That first one I let go on purpose.
We thought that.
Susie paid me $5,
Okay.
but I'm humble, okay?
That's good.
Shannon, we need to get the...
The game of the year, folks. Could have went either way, but it didn't. The real reason we're all here. It's right there. The Blaze Man. Mike Jr.
Andrew was pulling for the other team the whole time. Alright, your stuff is right here.
Thank you.
Good, how are you doing?
Let's go, so we can go home. Let's go.